So when you are using the type tool, again, always click and use the type tool. You can click, drag and highlight and create any text of your liking, depending on the size and whatnot that you can edit in your control panel at the top. You can also edit the properties in your properties panel on the right. So you can also see both these editing options on either side of the artboard. If this doesn't show up for you, you can also change your workspace to be typography. So usually on your startup, you'll have the Essentials or Essentials Classic, which will generally show you these options, which will have more artistic options in the toolbar or the panel. But you can obviously change this using this menu here and just change it to typography, which will give you all these text edit options as well. So you can align it and edit text to however you'd like. I'll show you a couple more things with the type tool with text boxes. So again, resizing using the selection tool. If you do convert it to point type, you can resize and scale. You can't really edit the text, but if you want to edit it again, double click on that tab and then you can click in and then type text again. If, for example, you're using the type tool and you click the tool and you click onto the artboard, click once, I'll let go, it will create text. If you click off this text can be scaled and edited. It will be a point type text box. If you click and drag the text box, it will be a regular text box, which you can scale. A couple more things. If you want to change the case of all your type in one go from a text box, just go type, change case, and go uppercase. And you can do that vice versa with some of the other options here as well. So you can go title case, make it a little bit more nicer. You can also change the type orientation as well. So if you go back to the type window, you can change this to vertical also if you don't want to use the vertical type tool. Say you've already typed stuff and you can't be bothered doing it all over again, you can do it that way also. Again, just remembering that red plus means there's text that's overlapping in that text box. I'll undo that real quickly. And then one more thing I'll just show you is, actually a couple more things, is glyphs. So say for example you want like a copyright symbol, you can click anywhere that you'd like it. You can go type, you can go insert special character, you can go symbol and do whichever symbol you like this way, quotation marks, hyphens and dashes, that sort of thing. But I think it's more so for a copyright symbol. You can edit it, and then based off your font, it will create that as you wish. To make that a little bit more professional, you'd use, if I click into the paragraph character, I'll turn that into a superscript. So that will look a bit more professional, etc. Last thing is, if you want to create a grid of text instead of making a table using the table tool, you can go to type, you can go to, where was it? Optical alignment, create elements. Type area to options. I think it was area type. There is an option here. I think it's area type options. Here we go. Sorry for that delay. Yeah, you can create an area type option. You can add columns and add rows as well with your type text box. So let's just say you go OK. This is editable as well. So you can go into each window and have that type split to however you like it as well. It's a pretty bad example, but if you want your type split up in this grid, you can do it this way as well. Final thing, if you want to use glyphs, you can click over here and use whatever you'd like. Just double click on the character that you'd want, and that will obviously appear in your text window as you'd need. Okay. Hopefully that helps. If you'd like some coaching, please just let me know.